The dog was, achoo!
Bless you.
Mom, why do we say bless you when someone sneezes?
Daniel, that saying has a very dark history.
How dark?
It goes back to the plague in medieval Europe.
The plague that killed millions?
Yes. Sneezing was often the first sign you were infected.
Wait, so sneezing meant you were dying?
It could. So people said, God bless you, as a prayer, hoping you'd survive.
So bless you really means, I hope you don't die?
Back then, yes. Today it's just habit. But the phrase stuck.
A plague prayer for hundreds of years.